Changing out the HID bulbs on my Camaro. I'm gonna go with 8000K versus, I think the normal was like 4300 or something like that, or 4500. Easiest way I found is to go through the fender liner right here. Get a little bit more clearance than going through the top. And then this side I haven't attempted yet, but you could probably just take off the airbox, I imagine, because the cap for it is like right back there. All right, let's see the color comparison. 8000K is on this side. Fires up really blue. And this side's more on the wider spectrum, the warmer Kelvin. But yeah, I think it looks pretty good. It's kind of a tradition between all my cars to put 8000K on. I don't know why, but it always looks the best to me. So for the driver's side, it's just easier to take out the airbox. It's one connection, and then this is like clipped in. And then you have easy access right there. Way easier to do it this way. All right, so here's the final product. I think they look dope. Gives it like that White Walker look with the blue eyes. But yeah, got the bulbs from Diode Dynamics. They're like one of the only ones that sell, in my opinion, like quality 8000K bulbs. So go check them out if you're interested. Not sponsored by them, by the way. All right, y'all.